It's a new 2018 Ford F-150. This truck was built to tough it out and tested to make sure it's up to every challenge. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. AM/FM stereo radio, smartphone wireless charging, manual tilting steering column, 3 12-volt power outlets, manual telescoping steering column, twin-turbo V6 engine, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, and easy lift and lower tailgate. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.